learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when it comes to Practical Hakka, we teach you everyday phrases, things that you would ask your friends or family or even coworkers anytime, any day. 我想想看，我们常常会问说你在做什么，对不对？
对啊。
What are you doing? That's actually a very common question that we ask people. What are you doing? So how do you say that in Hakka?
都给做乜嘅
做乜嘅其实常听到做什么嘛 You actually hear 做乜嘅 a lot. That means what are you doing? But formally, 都给做乜嘅 Okay, that again formally means what are you doing? Now the weather is so nice, but also unpredictable during summertime. 其实这很重要，你知道？
出去玩就要看天气。
对对对 So let's teach you how to say weather. I'm checking on the weather right now. Okay. 首先天气怎么说？
天死。
天死 Okay, that's the weather. So if I want to say I'm checking on the weather, 我在查明天的天气。
我都给查天公日嘅天死。
我都给 That means I am in the process 查
就是查。
Okay, that means checking up.
天公日。
天公日天公明天啦，对不对？
对。
明日明天的意思 That means tomorrow.
给天死。
给天死 Okay, 的天气对不对？ Okay, so I'm checking up on tomorrow's weather. Again, how do you say that?
我都给查天公日嘅天死。
我都给查天公日嘅天死。All right, then maybe it's going to be raining. 下雨怎么说呢？
落雨。
落雨 Okay, that means 落雨了。
对。
That means raining.
那海陆腔落水。
水就变水 water.
对。
A different dialect, they don't use rain as the word, they use water as the word. That falling water means it's raining. So 落水 All right, and finally maybe it's sunny. 晴天怎么说呢？
后天。
后天天气好吗？是不是？
不是后天。
不是后天哦。
好天气的意思啦。
明天哦。
对啊，就是明天好天气啊。
就是后天。
后天就是好天气，晴天的意思。
好的意思啦 Right. It means it's a good weather day, which means it's a sunny day. It sounds like the day after tomorrow, but it means sunny day. 后天。All right, let's review all these terms. 天气 the weather.
天死
and then it's going to be raining.
落雨
that's 下雨 and 晴天
后天
that's a good day or a sunny day. And it's all about asking, what are you doing?
都给做乜嘅
都给做乜嘅 And there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.